Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove all transitions at once on the VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. Okay, and I'm going to import some photos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to import my photos from this pins folder. I'm just going to pick random photos from here and I'm going to apply transitions. Wait, we can click on next. Okay, and now the photos have been imported to this project guys, and I'm going to apply transition. I'm going to click on this icon to apply transition, and I'm going to apply different transition to the photos. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. All right, and then now the transitions have been added to the photos, as you can see, and I'm going to play it to show you. And I'm going to show you guys how we can remove all the transitions I have applied to my photos. If we want to remove all the transitions at once, we need to go back to the transition menu. We can select one of the transitions we have applied. I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and then you're going to select this option, none. Okay, and to remove the transitions at once, you can click on applied all. Okay, and as you can see guys, that all the transitions I have applied to my photos have been removed automatically. That's so easy, right? You just need to go back to the transition and you can select none, and don't forget to click on applied all to remove all the transitions at once on VN Video Editor. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove all transitions we have applied to our photos or videos at once on VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.